As always, what can you see right in front of you in the big Norfolk UK black box serial killer frame fix assassination? So only no Lawnmower man here. No Roy White and White van man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer here. A red car, Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe Steve Wright, Wayne Kissers, Brady Hunley, Fred West, Royal Mail Postie assassins, vigilantes, Postie Mayor. And there's a crack and watch, a true detectives, the Lawnmower man, just ride around in a white pickup. Satanic serial killer, abducting children and young girls. Again, no Lawnmower man here. Mason Council, White Lodge, the local mafias, the local mob. They certainly will pay to make you disappear. Again, in their precision engineered black box serial killer frame fix assassination. And they certainly will set you up as the red car Michael Dunn, Michael Sands. To get you done in or boxed up, locked up, throw away the key. And the true detectives, Matthew McDonaghy, Woody Hallington. It's based on actual events where it's disclosed in police interviews. If you look up Voice True Detectives or The Real True Detective, a people transformed during satanic ritual abuse and sacrifices when they become hosts to ET demonic entities and demon spirits. Certainly no Beast the Punja, Bradford serial killer here.